Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyaneshwar Notial. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. By this method, you can get lot of video to helping learning mathematics. So today's topic is coordinate geometry. In previous video, we have already learned that the what is the x-axis, y-axis, abscissa, ordinate, coordinate, and what is the distance formula. Today we learn how we can solve distance formula if we have given coordinate in alphabet and how we can find the value of alphabet in distance formula. So let's take start first question. Here we have given if the distance between 2 point x3 and 57 is 5. So we have given 2-point coordinate. First we take A, which coordinate is x3, and second point coordinate is B 5 second 5 7, and we have already given the distance of this point, so AB equal to 5. Now we have to find the coordinate of x-axis. For finding the coordinate of x-axis, first we take the formula of distance formula by this method. Distance formula is equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We have already learned that in point we can take x1 y1 any 1 point coordinate and x2 y2 any 1 point coordinate. It is not compulsory always take x1 y1 of first point coordinate. Sometimes we can take it x2 y2 and second point coordinate x1 y1. It does not affect in our answer. So AB equal to 5. Next, in this time I am taking x2 y2 is x3. So x2 is x minus and y2 is 3 minus. We already remember that x1 y1 write in formula after changing sign. Here sign is 5, then change it minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 whole square. Now we calculate it. We cannot solve x minus 1 5, so we take the whole square. So in whole square, x square write it as it is, x minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4 whole square. Then we get 5 as it is. Now for removing square root we take square. Take square. After squaring 5 will be changed in 25 and square root will be cancelled. So we get x minus 5 whole square. Next, 4 minus 4 square is 16. Now we take number in same side, then 25 minus 16 equals to x minus 5 whole square. By subtracting we get 9. Now we have x minus 5 whole square equals to 9. Now we take the square root of both sides. And in number, we have know that if we take the square root of any number, then we get the answer in positive and negative both sides. Because if we take the square root of 4, then we get plus minus 2. Similarly, if we take the square root of 9, we get plus minus 3. Plus minus 3. X minus 5. Now, one time we take plus 3 sign and the second time we take minus 3 sign. Then x minus 5 equals to 3 and x minus 5 equals to minus 3. We take minus 5 in second side. By that x equals to 3 plus 5, 8. Second, x equal to minus 3 plus 5 means 2. Means a point coordinate will be possible 8 and 2. Means a point coordinate is be 2, 3 and 8, 3. Both are possible in our answer. By this method, we can calculate the value of x in coordinate. So, let's take another question. Here we have given if the point P, which coordinate is k minus 1 and 2, is equal distance from 2 points. A point is 3k and B point is k5. Both point distance from point P are equal. Then we have to find the value of k, means alphabet value, in coordinate. So again we take, here we have given the distance are equal. So we take the distance PA and PB are equal. PA and PB are equal. And we use the formula of distance. Formula in root. We know that the formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In examination, you write the formula in each question. But here we have already learned, right? It's a lot of time. So in this question, I don't write the formula of distance. So here we take the x2, y2 of coordinate of P. And A coordinate we take x1, y1 for PA, for only PA. Next, we get k minus 1 because x2, y2 coordinate are right as it is and 2 is as it is. And write x1, y1 by changing sign. So we get minus 3 whole square plus minus k whole square. K minus 1 minus 3 whole square. 2 minus k whole square. By similar method, we can find the distance of PB. In always write k x2, y2 as it is, means k minus 1 and 2. And write x1, y1. Here x1, y1 for PB is k5. So k minus 1 minus k whole square plus 2 minus 5 whole square. Now, we see that the both side is square root. So take square. Take square. By taking square, we remove the square root. Now we solve it. K minus 1 minus 3. Here we can add the minus 1 and minus 3 because both signs are same and both are number. So it will be k minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus k whole square. Here k minus k are cancelled. Then minus 1 whole square is plus 1 plus 2 minus 5 means minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is 9. Now we open this bracket. K square plus minus 16k. Sorry, 16 minus 16. First we take k square plus 16 minus 8k. Next bracket we open 4 plus k square minus 4k. And here we add this number, then 9 plus 1 is 10. Now we take all number in same single side. So here we see that k square plus k square means 2k square. Minus 8k minus 4k means minus 12k. And 16 plus 4 is 20. 20, 10 come here this side, then will be subtract. So 20 minus 10 is equal to 0. Now we solve it. 2k square minus 12k plus 10 equal to 0. Here all terms are divided by 2, then divide by 2. In quadratic equation we have already learned that if all terms in equation divide by any one number, then divide that. So 2 is divided by all number, then we get k square minus 6k plus 5. Now we do the factorization. In factorization, we know that first and last term comes as it is. If outer multiple is 5k square is positive, now we take the less than number of minus 6. So less than number of 5, 6 is 5, 5 and 5, then our answer will become. So we write minus 5k and minus k. Now we take the common. K, take common k, then we get k minus 5. And next we cannot take anything, so we take common minus 1. So k minus 5. Here we get two factor of these quadratic equation. Means we have finally two solution of this question. So first we write k minus 5 equal to 0, then we got k is equal to 5. And second, k minus 1 equal to 0, then k equal to 1. So we have two solution of k, 5 and 1. By this method, we calculate the value of k means alphabet in questions when we have given distance condition. Distance condition means sometimes he gave distance are equal, sometimes he say that distance are in number 5 to 6, 7, 8, anything. So by distance formula we can calculate also the coordinate of any point by this method. Only some conditions. So let's take another and final equation of today's. Here we have given if point 3k and k5 are equal distance from a point 0 to. Here any point is name is does not given, so we take it our choice. So I take point A is 3k, point B is k5 and P is 0 2. Here we have given AB point distance from P are equal, means PA equals to PB. It is just like similar of previous question, but we solve it. The formula of PA is root. Then we take the P point and coordinate of x2 by 2 means 0, 2 and change x1 y1 sign 0 minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus k whole square. Next in PB we get 0 and 2 is as it is and write minus k 0 minus k whole square plus 2 minus 5 whole square. Now we have seen that both sides are square root, so take square. Take square. By taking square we can cancel the square root. So we take square, then remove the square root. So 0 minus 3 means 3 minus 3 square is 9. Now we open the square, whole square. So whole square always we write a minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. Means a square means 4 plus b square minus k square minus 4k. In next k square, because minus k square is k square and 2 minus 5 means minus 3 square is 9. Now here we see that the k square of positive sign are both sides, so cancel it. 9 number of positive sign are both sides, then also remove it. Now we take alphabet in one side, then we get 4 equals to 4k. Then divide 4 by 4, then we get 4 upon 4, k is equal to 1. Means here we have k value is only 1. Sometimes we have the value of alphabet is more than 1, but here we have value of k is only 1. That is 1. So thank you for watching this video, and if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. So wait for next video.